It was the first time many of us saw Kilmar Abrego Garcia appear in a U.S. courtroom since his controversial deportation made national headlines. Today, here in Nashville, he pleaded not guilty to federal human smuggling charges stemming from a 2022 traffic stop near Cookeville. Our Nikki Hauser was at the courtroom and joins us now. And Nikki, what stood out in the hours of testimony?
Right. I mean, this was a very unusual arraignment, Rory, and not only because this has become a national story with many eyes on the outcome, but also because any other hearing would have taken just a couple minutes. This one took 6 hours, culminating in no decision at all. The judge said she would take the matter of whether Kilmar Abrego Garcia will be released pending trial under advisement and make a decision, quote, sooner rather than later. Rain clouds and a somber tone hung in the air Friday afternoon as Kilmar Abrego Garcia's family walked out of the federal courthouse in Nashville.
All right, everybody just hold. We're going to hold right here, okay?
The judge ultimately delaying the decision on what will happen to Abrego Garcia, whether the Maryland father will be detained or free to go while awaiting trial. The outcome comes hours after protests Friday morning and a public plea from Abrego Garcia's wife.
And I'm here fighting for my husband, for his dad to come back home.
That's the heart of this case, whether Abrego Garcia will be able to stay in the U.S. Federal agents arrested and deported him back in March. The Supreme Court ruled his deportation to El Salvador was unconstitutional. Shortly after, federal agents brought him back to face federal human smuggling charges in Tennessee. In court today, prosecutors argued body camera footage from a 2022 traffic stop suggests Abrego Garcia was smuggling undocumented people across the country for money, and witnesses point to him as one of the main people involved in these runs. But defense attorneys argued this testimony came from people who were largely related or had close ties to one another, and some were working on deals to keep them in the U.S. in exchange for their testimony. Either way, the hearing today would have made a major impact. Even if the judge decides to release Abrego Garcia pending trial, DHS would detain and likely deport him. Now we'll have to wait to see how the judge rules and how that determines Abrego Garcia's fate. In the meantime, it continues to fuel an emotional debate when it comes to immigration in our country.
For justice, for peace. For justice, for peace.
Nikki Hauser, News Channel 5.
Nikki with us now. So really, basically, we're just waiting on the judge?
Exactly. And in the meantime, we know Abrego Garcia will be staying somewhere in Tennessee until there is a decision that's made.
That location not revealed, though, right?
No, of course.
All right, Nikki, thanks.
Of course.